Hey Beauts Beau, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Imani Cole. Hi, if you're new here, I am Imani Cole, and this is my YouTube channel. So if you're interested, subscribe, like, and comment. Recreating Strashme's makeup looks. She's the woman who won Instant Influencer with Jamescharles, and I thought that'd be super cool to recreate some of her looks since she's very talented. So I took the liberty in going on Fenty since I know the product that she uses, but I already had a gift card with Fenty, so I was like, why not just use it? It's called Bouquet, and it comes in pink, white, and a neon green. And I want to do today her white makeup look where she has the liner coming out like a little wing, and then she already has a black liner with it. So here's a picture of it. So it's lifted up, it's pretty short, and it's meant to connect to the white one in a more cat eye looking, like a cat eye thing, and it goes into your like. Okay, so I attempted the cat eye. Whenever I did it on this side, I kept on getting way too thick, so I tried to erase it, but then it'll just erase the entire thing. So I tried to do it like more thinly, but it just keeps messing up. So I'm done. This is it. Moving on to the white part. I'm scared of the white part because that part's gonna be a hassle. I'm back. I know that I look crazy, but I think I may be a genius. So I have the eyeliner, the tip. It's not it, unless you're gonna do something like a little squiggly or something cute like that. But this is too advanced for that. That's why I got a little brush to help me with it. And she connects it to the liner and then goes in like right here in the corner. It's pretty thin, so I'm gonna have to like erase it. But she then continues to go up, kind of hits into her brow bone, and then does like a kind of thicker cat eye looking thing like right around here. So I'm going to line it very lightly in a straight line, and then I'm going to look at the picture again and then reline it and then make it thicker eventually, and you're gonna see that. Period. Today is day 2 of me doing the Strashme makeup looks. One of them that appealed to me were the one that she had a little like box type of thing around her eye, and she used this type of color. I'm going to have my basics, which is going to be the mascara, a little concealer brush to help clean things up and put some detail in it before I actually go on my actual eyelid, and then some Kat Von D tattoo liner in the color Trooper Black and Banana Blaze. It seems to have a bit of like a lighter complexion on the inside, like she put some eyeshadow on there, but I watched her video and she didn't. But I'm just gonna put some of what is this called? It's from the palette Get Ready With Me in the color number 7. So having a little other concealer brush, and I'm going to be brushing that. And just noticed something that I did wrong. I had to add a wing to it, a small little wing, so I'm going to do that since she did it. Not sure what I did, but I did something. So we're gonna continue with the look. Okay, this is my attempt. I'm going to replicate it on my other eye. I'm going to actually show you guys what I'm doing since I never do that. the Polar Express girl.
It's twin them. Good motherfucking vibes only. Super good vibes only.
Oh my gosh, my hair. I tried to do something cute since I, you know, I had the usual same old 3 braid type of thing, you know. I want to spice it up a little bit, but I guess that this was too spicy. It looks a little bit like Pippi Longstockings, but let's ignore her. It's kind of cute. So I attempted to achieve this look, but it didn't really work out, so I scratched the entire thing and tried to do a different look from Strashme. So for this look, all you had to do was just apply the liner and do a pretty long wing so you're able to do the swooping effect with your neon green liner. If you're confused as to what I'm doing right here, I'm using my concealer brush and I'm dabbing it in water using a tissue to clean it off, but I'm just cleaning up the messes that I make with my eyeliner, and that's all. Today is the last day of me doing Strashme's eye makeup looks. The last video was complete trash. Like, my last try from yesterday was really bad. So today I'm going all out on my most favorite look that she has, kind of a smoky eye look, and products that I think can achieve that look. So I have the Wet n Wild Panther color. It's just the black. And then I have my Get Ready With Me palette from Collab. I'm using number 5 since it is pretty dark. And then for my white liner, I finally bought my own white liner. And I have the Wet n Wild Kohl Crayon Pour Less UX. I don't know, but I got this from Five Below. I just dropped it. I got it from Five Below and I like it a lot. I used it before. Test it out. And of course the Kat Von D and the Mary Kay mascara. And then to apply it in the nice little cat eye smoky eye look, I'll be using this little brush. So I'm going to first do it on one eye so I have a complete idea of it, and then I'll do it in the mirror for you guys to see it. And yeah, we'll see how this turns out. I am very scared. Okay, so I tried to smoke it out a bit. I even brung it in. I did the white liner, did the black liner, put on some mascara. So I'm gonna do on the other eye. Hopefully it comes in very coherently. If not, this is it. I'm sorry. I tried my best. I'm not exactly a beauty guru. I never even really got into eyeliner until now. So this is gonna be interesting. Hopefully it comes out looking pretty decent. So I first went in with this eyeliner brush, and I just dabbed before we even saw the black. I dabbed in with the darker brown and then went in with the black in a more like I was applying eyeliner type of thing, and I blended that out a bit more. I used a smaller brush to blend it and smoke it out more, and then I applied my white eyeliner and of course the mascara and a darker eyeliner to do a more feline look in my tear duct. So this is my last Strashme look. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, and comment if you have enjoyed the video, and I'll be having some new content out pretty soon. So I love you guys. Be safe out there. That's basically it.